Hey everyone, Jared here with JDS Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to extend your paper tray in your Sawgrass printers. With the Sawgrass SG500, you'll be able to do 8.5 by 11 to 8.5 by 14 size paper. With the SG1000, you'll be able to extend your paper from 8.5 by 11 all the way up to 11 by 17. So the first thing what we want to do is remove the tray from the printer. Once we have it removed, I want to indicate that anything that is green inside the tray, it will help you adjust the size of the paper. There are markings in the tray. So we want to go all the way to 11 and then move the green tab all the way back. And then we want to push these two green tabs in the corner inward towards each other. You'll hear a pop when you do that, and then you'll be able to pull the tray out. Once it no longer allows you to pull it, you want to push these tabs back in place, and then your tray should be set. Now, you want to put the paper in there and make sure that it fits properly. If it's a little bit too loose on the sides, you can push down the green tab and push it inward towards it. Just get it snug. Make sure all of that is flush, and then we can place this back in the tray, into the printer. Once you put it back in the printer, it will stick out a little bit. When it does that, on the SG1000 and 800 printers, you can extend out this tray cover if you like. This is just one of the things that will allow you to utilize your printer to its full capabilities. If you'd like to have more information, contact us at the number below or visit us online. Thanks for watching.